Presenting the 2009 Infiniti G37. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.